Nice job by Gabalio. Nice body shot by Gabalio. Hindi na siya nasasaktan partner eh. Partner eh. Yeah. Hindi lang magkumpiyansa si Gabalio. May partner kasi
sakta talaga ng body shot yung Indiana partner. Good, 1-2. Good body shot by Goling.
nice.
Presenting the former two-time and 10 bantamweight world champion
Raymart Gabalio.
Raymart Gabalio. From scheduled for 10 rounds of boxing. Fighters, 4 minutes.
Yan na guys. Philippines versus India.
Let's go. Let's see po.
Let's go. First round. Raymart Gabalio versus Pawan Kamar Arya from India.
First round action.
Raymart Gabalio wearing the black pants and Pawan Kumar Arya wearing the white and black pants. Yes. Nice job, partner. Malakas din tong kalaban niya, partner.
Partner.
Yes.
May palag din partner.
Yes. Galing pa to ng India, partner eh. Galing pa ng India, partner eh.
Pero syempre, assassin to eh.
Yes. Bumiyahe pa from India, partner. Pumunta lang ng Jensen. Galing, partner.
Galing din yung Indiano eh.
Galing din niya, ano. Pero matatamaan siguro to, partner.
May palag din, may palag din talaga.
Both boxer is ano, nag-iingat.
Oo. Pakasin talaga si Gabalio, partner.
Yes, partner. Wag lang talagang magbigay ng kumpiyansa ang ano, partner. Yan, partner, pinabababa yung ano, partner, kasi hindi na makita yung chan, partner eh. Nice 1-2 by Gabalio and nice job by
Arya.
Arya.
From India.
Yes. Arya is from India, Gabalio is from Philippines. Nice job 1-2 by Gabalio. Magaling din tong umilag si ano, partner, si Arya, partner.
Arya, oh.
Nice job by Arya. Galing din, partner eh.
Oh.
Hindi rin basta-basta, partner. Nice straight by Arya. Nice job. Nice job by Arya.
Nice job by Arya.
Nice
Good
job
job
by Gabalio.
Nice
Body shot by Gabalio.
Nice
Hindi na
body
siya
shot.
nasasaktan, partner eh.
Parehong nag-iingat, partner.
Good job. Good.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Nice job by Raymart.
Parehong nag-iingat yung both.
Yes.
And your
Revolt.
Grabe. Ganda ng laban.
Palakpak naman dyan.
Hindi rin basta-basta yung Indiano eh. Congressman Nathan Odocado of One Tahanan Party List.
Round number 2.
Round number 2. Raymart Gabalio versus Arya.
Good straight by Raymark.
Philippines versus
Gabalio
India.
versus Arya. Second round.
Nice job by Raymart. Nice counter by Arya. But he missed.
Good job.
Nice job by Gabalio.
Magaling din tong Indiano na to eh.
Yes,
May head
partner.
movement, tsaka
Hindi yung ano partner. Hindi yung pag isang suntok lang wala na. Grabe, ang bilis ng job partner no. Bilis
kaso lang hindi tumatama kay Raymark.
Yes.
Parang napafeel na Raymark na sakon sa ng body.
Yan na. Go-piece na si Raymart partner.
Good shot by Raymark. Good body shot.
Yun ang talang dapat iwasan.
Boom. Lakas nun.
Yun. Hindi nasasaktan ng Indiano partner eh.
Kasmekos partner.
Yeah. Mikos-mikos lang insan.
Good shot.
Si Insan pala to partner. Insan pala to. Nice straight
Counter.
by
Good counter. Good
Gabalio.
counter.
Nice 1-2-3
Good,
by
1, 2, 3. Nice one.
Gabalio. Nice job by Arya. Nice job by Arya. Itong Indiano partner ang akala ng iba partner na madali lang.
Pero hindi. Hindi partner. Lakas. Tsaka matibay.
Tumitingin kasi sila sa
Good straight by Raymark.
nice
Good.
1-2 by
Good combination
Raymart
again.
Gabalio. Parang hindi nasasaktan ng Indiano partner.
Oo. Makunat.
Yeah. Nakatagbel ba to partner?
Siguro partner. Kasi sabi niya, dadayo ako dito. Dapat.
Yeah. Hindi ako dadayo na matalo.
Oo.
Nice left hook by Gabalio. Yung partner, parang ininda talaga ng Indiano yung partner.
Yung mga pamatay na suntok ni Raymark partner.
Ramdam.
Yes.
Ten seconds.
10 seconds more. 10 seconds.
Parang tong Indiano partner, survival lang sa kanya eh. Sasaktan na talaga to eh.
Saktan yung Indiano ko na.
Good round, both boxer.
Second out. Here we go. Start to the trick round.
Round number 3 na. Gabalio versus Arya. India versus Philippines. Gabalio wearing the all black pants. Arya wearing the white and black pants. Nice job by Arya. Nice counter by Raymart Gabalio. Nice body shot. Grabe partner, pang hindi nasasaktan yung Indiano partner kasi ang haba ng ano partner eh. Ang kamay.
Ang haba ng kalamay.
Nakaguard pa kasama yung
Oh.
kamay.
Nice. Go.
Yun partner, parang natamaan na
Oo.
partner.
Nasaktan talaga siya yun.
Yeah. Na ano na partner, na iniinda na. Nice.
May
Arya.
Arya oh. Anong counter yun? Nakunat din partner.
Yes partner. Nice body partner. Parang iniinda na ng Indiano
Indiano
partner
yung-
eh. Parang wala na to partner. Hindi lang magkumpiyansa si Gabalio,
Oh.
Raymart partner kasi
Sakto talaga ng body shot yung Indiano partner.
Partner.
Saktan partner. Tingnan mo partner.
Yes.
Hinda na ng Indiano partner. Sabi niya, di pala basta-basta yung mga Pinoy.
Grabe talaga ang punot ng ano partner, ng Indiano.
Oo.
Ilang suntok ang sinalo ni partner. Grabe to.
Punat din talaga.
Yes, partner. Hindi rin basta-basta lang
Di ba basta-basta partner?
Indiano partner.
May laban talaga
Nice
partner.
straight by Gabalio. Nice job.
Jab again.
Parang wala nang suntok yung Indiano partner eh. Panay na lang.
Baka
siya.
natatakot siya partner kasi malakas din si Gabalio, ano yung Mark eh. So, tsaka naghahanap din siya ng timing eh.
Yung kahinaan niya.
Naghahanap din siya ng
Nice
timing.
job
partner.
by Raymart. By Gabalio.
Good, 1-2. Good body shot by Goling.
Nice.
10 seconds more.
Yun na partner.
Saktan partner.
Nahilo na partner. Yun. Nakatama ng straight.
End of the third round.
Nice round by both.
This round is not brought to you by David Brunson, Center and Center Nancy. On the station of the City of Generals, like celebration, Chile Festival, here, General City. Extending our big thank you to Madam Lorelei Capria, the city mayor of Jerusalem City. Here we go. We are entering round number 5, second round.
Round number 4.
Round number 4 guys. This round is 10 rounds, so abang-abang pa, marami pang mangyayari.
Ano nangyari nito partner?
Okay.
Oh. Parang may kunting
Ah,
aberya.
parang wala na partner. Parang stop na to partner.
Stop na ba? Stop na ba?
Boxing suspended round.
Jared!
Our official inside position.
Jared!
Check the status of our item for media.
Stop na ba partner? Parang
Jared!
tingnan natin kung ano yung decision ng doktor natin guys. Parang oh,
Then
ito
guys,
yung kamay niya.
proceed na
Sayang.
tayo sa main event kasi surrender na yung Indiano.
Sakit yung kamay. Mekos talaga.
Ayun guys, ano daw, ang kamay daw ng Indiano is malapit sa siko. Nagmaga daw. Parang may bukol daw ata. Hindi po namin alam saan natamaan. Hindi niya na kaya. Kaya hindi niya na kaya magpatuloy pa. So, mas minabuti na lang i-stop yung laban kaysa naman may mangyari sa kanyang masama. So, guys, last na tayo. Main event na. The main event of the evening. Philippines versus Indonesia. So, stay tuned guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, result of round. The fighter from India refused to answer the bell for the rest period of the third round because of head injury. Therefore,